Hello, this is Jovenel Narcisse in your Cotton, Leather, and Others YouTube channel. And this is our video for today. Going to unbox items that I bought from Ironheart when I visited Osaka, Japan in September. In the middle of September, I went there and I went to the store and I was able to buy two pieces of items. First, I got their Loopwheel shirt, Ironheart in white. This is size medium and the price is 7,920. This is their latest offering of white Loopwheel shirt. The model number is IHT 2405. Since it is medium, I usually have a shoulder length of 17 to 18 inches and a pit to pit to 20 to 21 inches and an opening of 20 inches. So I I like this color and I like the design. It has blue, green, and red, and it goes well with my denim jeans from Ironheart. This is the first item. Actually, I was able to save a lot of money from buying in Japan because their conversion rate is very low. The conversion rate in after tax is 2.41 pesos in 1 yen. So you divide the price of this 7,920 divided by 2.41, and that is the peso equivalent. I have here a flannel shirt. What is good about this flannel shirt is it is unbrushed and the color is very unique. You have a color of yellow, white, purple, and I think some blue. So this is a 9 ounce cotton. It's not too heavy, and this is my flannel purchase for the year 2024 because I promised to myself that in each year since it started in 2021, I got their 20th anniversary shirt in blue, and I got it as a collection for the year 2021, and then for 2021 up to 2022. And then I got another flannel shirt, which is the red one. You can review from my previous uh, videos from this YouTube channel that I was able to buy a 13 ounces red CPO flannel shirt from the Osaka Ironheart store when I went there last March. So for the year, and that is my rendition for 2023, which is last year. And for this year, 2024, I bought this 9 ounce unbrushed flannel shirt as my collection for the year 2024. So you have a cat's eye button because this shirt is a work shirt. You have two pockets in front and you have a ball pen slot, and of course you have the Ironheart tab, and there is no stop button, and you have cat's eye button which are colored purple. So the dimension of this is we'll measure, but if you want to check on the size dimension on their website, practically it is the same, but for this video, because there are times that they are inconsistent, But for Ironheart, because of their quality, they are very consistent on their measurements. Since I've been buying their shirt on a small size, I've been consistently buying shirt from them in the small size. So we're going to measure. This is the same. It is 16 and 1/4. Usually my shoulder plays from 16 and a half or 16 up to 18 inches. This is 16 and a half, but I think in their website it appears to be 16.8. And then the pit to pit measurement is 20 and a half, which is almost the same with you have the waist in their website. It says 19, and of course this is 19 and a half, and the opening is 19 and 3/4. So you have those strands, loose strands on the hem on the side, and then we're going to open this. We'll find out where they place their salvage. You can see on the placket you have a salvage edge, hem of the sleeve. You have also a salvage edge. We're going to measure the length of this because sometimes the length of their shirt is very long. It ranges from 28 inches to 29 and a half inches, measuring from the back of the collar. And then this is 29 inches. And the length of the sleeves is 25 and a half inches. You have a cat's eye buttons colored in purple, and this is a work shirt. Differentiating it from the Western shirt, a work shirt is a looser version. It has some wider body width than the Western because the Western is a little bit tapered and slim in proportion as compared to the work shirt. And most of my shirts from Ironheart are Western shirts, and I think this is my first work shirt flannel from them. This is a very nice weight for an outfit here in the Philippines because I have observed the 12 ounces is very thick and it is very uncomfortable to wear outside because this is a very tropical country and it is very hot. And sometimes I can only use my 12 ounces flannel shirts whenever I go abroad for travel. And then when I go to Japan, and then I go to the United States during the temperate months, most especially during spring and autumn up to winter. Okay, the price of this is 31,900 yen. If you convert this divided by 2.41 pesos, the peso equivalent is very cheap as compared to the price on their website. This is $385 in their website, but for the equivalent in peso, this is only about 11,000 to 12,000 or lesser. Okay, so I was able to save a lot of money from buying Ironheart in Osaka, Japan, rather than buying from their website because I go there with their tax. I buy it very cheap because of their conversion is very low, and then I bring it here in the Philippines without any taxes. I don't have any shipping because in my previous purchases of Ironheart, I usually order it from London in Guisport and then send the package to my forwarder in Los Angeles, California through the Johnny Air Cargo, and then Johnny Air Cargo sent it to me through a package, the same package, but I still have to pay a shipping fee of about 1,500 to 1,600 pesos. So we'll go now to the fitting video, and I'm glad that I have this as part of my collection for the year of 2024. And I like the color. This is the first time that I have this pulper shirt, and I think this is still available on their website on Ironheart UK and Ironheart America. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel for my outfit and sneakers, watches, and eyewear, please subscribe so that you will find out what a 72 years old collector of boots and salvage denim would wear. If you haven't clicked that notification bell, please click. And then if you have any comment on these items that I presented, please do so. And thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.